guys, so I am Frizzlin Esrabio from BA Adresi. So this would be my presentation in 5E model, which is the semi-detailed lesson plan in Mathematics 4. So now this could be my intended learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, the students should be able to define number sentences and identify the parts of a number sentence, which is the variables, operations, and result, and solve number sentences neatly and accurately. Next, we have our subject matter. So my topic is all about number sentences, and my reference is from the book of Gerald Orenio in 2020, which is the Teaching Mathematics in the Intermediate Grades, pages 270 to 273, and it was published by Lorimar Publishing Incorporation in Quezon City. And then in actual, the materials that I'm going to use are Smart TV, PowerPoint presentation, blackboard and chalk, chart paper and images, and worksheets for practice. Next, we have the procedure. Since it is a 5E model, so let's have an engage first. So I'm going to present a real-life scenario related to addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and I'm going to display with an engaging image related to number sentences. So this could be the image and this one. So next we have explore. So here is I am going to divide the class into 4 groups, and then I will distribute worksheets with different number sentences, including some in word problem format, and I will have them to analyze the sentences and then identify the parts, which is the variables, operations, and result, and then they will discuss their solutions with their group. So this could be the word problem that I'm going to distribute. Alright, so now let's discuss about the number sentences. So what is number sentences? So when we say number sentences, it is a mathematical sentence made up of numbers and or variables or letters and signs. It could be addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, greater than, equal, and less than. An equation is a special type of number sentence. It has an equal sign to show that expressions on both sides are equal. So let's say for example, kanang 1 plus 2 equals 3. Nganong kanang equal man siya? It is because ang 1 giplasan og 2 equal siya og 3. True man siya nga equals man gud siya og 3, di ba? Kaya ang 1 plus 2 equals man gud siya og 3. Wala man mo nang equal siya kay if i-plus na nimo ang 1 plus 2, 3 man siya. Dili man siya 4. So that is equal. And then the missing value in a number sentence can be represented by a symbol such as shape or letter. So, a number sentence is a short way of writing a mathematical expression. Let's say for example, 8 plus 6 equals 14. Or I could write it this way, like this one. And then a number sentence can be true. Let's say for example, 5 times 2 equals 10. Of course, it is true. Kaya nga naman, ang 5 times of 2, the result man siya of 10. So it is true, not false. So a number sentence can be false. Let's say for example, 6 minus 2 equals 6. O, diba? Sayop na siya daan. Kay ang 6 minus 2 equals 4 man dapat, dili man siya 6. 4 ni siya dere. So that is why false. And some number sentences use parentheses. And to solve this, you must do what's in the parentheses first. So I have here example like this. 6 minus 2 open parentheses, 6 minus 2 plus 4 equals 8. So you have to get the answer of 6 minus 2 equals 4. So copy the rest. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So here, ano na siya ang answer? Ay. 4, 6 minus 2 equals 4, then copy 4, 4 plus 4 equals 8. Then sometimes you have to tell if a number sentences is true or false. Then a number sentence is open if it has a variable. Then when we say variable, it is a letter or symbol that stands for missing number. Like this. Let's say for example like this. We have here 12 plus x equals 15. So what is the missing value of x? So let's find. So to solve sentences with variables, oftentimes you will use the inverse operations. If an open sentence says to add, we subtract to find the answer. Like this. We have to subtract this 15 minus 12 to get what is the, kung unsa ang value sa x diri. So 15 minus 12 is equals to 3. So the x there is 3. So 12 plus 3 equals 15. Another example, we have here 51 equals n plus 29. So addition ang operation. So we have to do the inverse operation. So ato lang ni siya i-minus para makuha ni nato ang n. So 51 minus 21 is equals to 23. So the n there is 23. Next, if the variable is in the first position in a subtraction problem, we add to solve it like this. 17 equals z minus 8. So ang pangitaon nato dira is kung unsa ang kanang missing number sa z. So ato ra ni siyang i-add. I-add nato ni ang 17 plus 8 kay 25 man. So ang missing kanang number dira sa z is 25 kay if 25 minus 8 mo result may siya 17. Then if the variable is in the second position in a subtraction problem, we subtract. So let's say for example 5 equals 18 minus k. So ato ra ni siyang i-minus ang 18 minus 5 to get the result of the missing number here. So 18 minus 5 equals 13. So the missing value of k is 13. Then if an open sentence says to multiply, we divide to find the answer. So let's say for example 18 equals 2 times b. So we should divide this. 18 divided by 2 is equals to 9. So the missing number of the letter B is 9. And if an open sentence says to divide, we divide to find the answer. So let's say for example 7 equals 21 divided by x. So we should divide this to get the missing number of x. So 21 divided by 7 is equals to 3. 7, 14, 21. So the missing number of x is 3. Then if the variable is in the answer, we solved it straight out. Like let's say for example like this. 8 times 8 equals z. And we all know that 8 times 8 is equals to 64. So the missing number of z is 64. So let's have another example including the word problem format. So I have here example. Let's say for example Valeria saw 9 cats sitting on the wall. 5 cats jump off the wall. So unsa man nga operation atong gamiton para makuha nato ang result. So ato sang sabton ang question. Si Valeria kuno nakakita og siyam ka iring. So unya ang 5 daw ka iring kay nilayat. Nya ang iyang pangutana kay how many cats are still sitting on the wall. So meaning subtraction ang operation. So 9 minus 5 equals 4. So we get the result by subtracting the number. So let's have another example. Rachel made 7 tortillas. Her sister made 6 tortillas. So how many tortillas were made in all? Unsa man nga operation ang atong gamiton para makuha ang result? So ato sa sabton ang pangutana. Si Rachel kuno nagbuhat og 7 ka tortillas. Ang iyang igsuon nagbuhat pod og 6. Ang pangutana, pila man kuno tanan ang ilang nabuhat nga tortillas. So pasabot addition. So i-add nato kang Rachel ug sa iyang igsuon. Si Rachel nay 7 ug iyang igsuon nay 6. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. So they made 13 tortillas. So let's have another example. Tim loves hamburgers. He eats 2 hamburgers every day. How many hamburgers does Tim eat in 2 weeks? Okay, sabton gyapon na to ang question. So si Tim kuno ganahan mukaon og burger. Si Tim mukaon og burger tagduha sa usa ka adlaw. Ang pangutana, pila man kuno ka burger ang nakaon ni Tim sa duha ka semana? So, ang duha ka semana ato isa i-convert into days. So, pila man ka days ang naa sa usa ka semana? We have 7. Kaya nga naman, Lunes, Martes, Merkules, Huwebes, Biyernes, Sabado, Domingo. Muna ang 1 week. So, 2 weeks man ang gipangutana. So, 7 plus 7 equals 14. So, 14 days. So, para makuha na to kung pila ka buok ang gikaon ni Tim nga hamburger, ato ni siya i-multiply. So, 14 times 2, we have 28. So, ang nakaon ni Tim nga hamburgers in just 2 weeks is 28 kabuok. Next is elaborate. So here is I am going to distribute different types of number sentences, including word problems on the worksheets, and then the students can work individually to solve the problems, and I will encourage them to present their solutions and explain their reasoning to the class. So this could be the worksheets that I'm going to distribute. Next, we have evaluate. So here is I will assess the students' understanding of number sentences through a summative assessment. So again, I will distribute a set of number sentences, questions, and ask students to solve them independently. So this would be the worksheets that they will have to answer. Next, we have the evaluation. So directions. Read each statement very carefully. Solve the following number sentences. So number 1, John has 20 bottles of water. He gives some to his brother. He has 4 left. How many bottles did he give to his brother? So that could be the questions that they will answer. Next, we have the assignment. So here is the students will answer the following, and they will write it on 1/2 sheet of paper, and you will find what is the value of n in each number sentence. And that could be all. Thank you for listening.